editor-in-chief of Herbasm.com, a magazine for men. And today I've got on my lumberjack shirt. It's kind of a lumberjack shirt. What I also have is a big old bag of beef jerky. Now we're going to do something really cool with this bag of jerky. Our new friends from Old Trapper have given us a recipe to try, and it's called the Kicked Up Old Trapper Mac and Cheese, and we're pretty excited about this. It's super simple, it's kind of inventive, and we think that you're gonna like it. Well, let's find out. Let's get cooking. Let's run through our list of ingredients. We have one 12-ounce package of macaroni. In this case we're using rotini. 2 cups milk. 2 1/2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. 3 ounces Old Trapper beef jerky. And then we have 2 tablespoons butter and 1 egg. So once you have your list of ingredients together, first thing you want to do is get your oven started at 350 degrees and start preheating. The next thing you're going to want to get is a lightly greased 2-quart baking dish of some sort. We're going to use this cast iron pot that I've lightly greased. Let's go ahead and set aside this baking dish that we prepared, and we're going to grab ourselves a big pot and start our pasta with. Once you've got a good rolling boil going like we do here, add in your pasta. Now we're only going to cook this pasta for 5 minutes. This stuff would normally cook about 8 to 10 minutes. So we're wanting this to be very al dente, but the purpose of that is this will be going in the oven. It has been 5 minutes, so we're going to give this one last stir. And we're going to bring this over to the sink. Alright, so take your boiling pasta, and drain it in a colander like that. Now we are going to set that aside, so we've got some other business to attend to. We are back over here at the table. You get yourself a fairly large bowl. Now you go ahead, crack an egg in there, and then add your 2 cups of milk. Now we'll take our whisk. We will mix that together thoroughly. Alright, that looks about good. So now let's grab the cheese and begin to slowly put it in here. Mix it in as we go. So now you want to melt that 2 tablespoons of butter and pour it in there. Mix that in. Now for the good part, the Old Trapper beef jerky. Get that in there. Get that mixed up really good. Perfect. So now we are back over here with our lightly greased baking dish. Take our macaroni, put it right in there, and then we're gonna take our mixture that we made, pour it right over top. Now mix that in really good. Oh, that's looking good already. So then we're gonna take our baking dish and put it right in the oven like that. So as you remember, it's 350 degrees, and we are gonna want to bake that for somewhere around 30 to 40 minutes. What we're looking for is for it to be light brown on the top. Alright, let's bring this in here for a close-up. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. Nice and brown on the top. Oh. Oh. Oh, that is good. Yum. So, I'm going to take this in to the dining room table, and as our friend Echo Charles would say, I'm gonna take care of some business. Alright, well, thanks for joining us. We have more to come, and we will see you then.